This video is going to show you how to remove a headlight from a 2007 to 2013 Cadillac Escalade. Once the headlight is removed, you will gain access to the blinkers and the lights. This is where the first two 10mm bolts that hold the headlight in are located. The third 10mm bolt is located inside the wheel well. With the headlight removed, you can gain access to all the bulbs inside it. The process is the same whether it's driver or passenger side. Simply reverse the steps to install.